You're watching Reeves Radical Rides. Check it out.
All right, check out this bike. It's a 2000 Honda Shadow. Now, we're in Luke's shop. Why do I have a bike in Luke's shop? Well, Abby's birthday's coming up, so I bought her a bike. I did this actually probably, God, I don't remember. I think I bought this thing like 3 months ago-ish. Anyways, it needs some work. And by needs some work, it just really needs to be cleaned up. Today, it's pretty late. Like, I'm going to be working in here after work most days for the next 2 weeks to spiffing this thing up. I built mine in 2 weeks and I customized the shit out of it. Now this one I'm just cleaning up and repainting everything. I'm probably going to like paint the engine just black and darken the pipes up, maybe paint them up, or not paint them up, but wrap them. And hopefully I can powder coat some stuff. I'm hoping to. Alright, so basically, like I haven't even heard this thing run yet, so I'm kind of just gonna tinker around, disconnect the battery, see if I can get it to run. If not, get a new battery, blah blah blah, carry on. Alright, I've got it mostly torn down, and they upgraded this thing a little bit better than mine, my old one. My old one's a 94, this one's a 2000. This one has a carburetor on the side instead of in the middle and dumb like my other one. I couldn't even get it out. I never even bothered getting it out. Anyways, for my old bike, I had gotten this cool old school like looking breather cover. So hopefully I can go back in the shop, find it, and test fit it on there, see if it's any good. But yeah, the more and more I take this thing apart, the more fun I think it's going to be to build off of. You know, I can make my own bars without having to make them permanent like I did in my old one. I don't know. I think we're going to have some fun. Hopefully Abby likes it. All right, that's it for tonight. All right, well, that's a good sign. Runs pretty smooth. Should be exciting. Lots of the hard work starts tomorrow. Alright, we're back in my shop. Got the handlebars off Abby's bike. She's at work, so she doesn't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I was gonna cut and turn those bars a bit, and nope, not good enough. So I got some 1-inch steel here, some steel tubing that is not cheap because fuck my life. Anyways, so we're gonna bend up a set of bars and take it all together. So come along for the journey. Okay, that's it. We're done. Those are our bars. You can go home now. All right, so we're basically building like a drag bar style. And that's my center. That's an 8 1/4. In between both, I have 8 inches in between, or like counting the 1 inch I need for each pipe coming up from the bar. I guess I really haven't explained this very well. Okay, so this bar right here is going between. Now there's room on each side for these that you haven't seen yet. So these are gonna go like this on each end. Not sideways like that, although that looks cool. We're not building a BMX bike. It's gonna be straight like this, and then the drag bar is gonna go in between. So I'm giving the bar just a little bit of a turn Nothing crazy, just a little angle. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, so I started the mark off right at the edge. I'm gonna do the same with the other side. I'm gonna put the other side in. Give it 2 notches on this. From there, should get us about the same spot. Show 'em how it's done.
Fuck off.
So Amanda came over to Luke's today, gave me a hand to clean this up. We got the engine all cleaned up, spiffy, ready to paint. Basically just gonna block everything off with like cardboard. Hopefully don't get too much overspray. Getting tired there, eh? That's a lot of hand motions. Anyways, so we're gonna get this thing sprayed up. I'm gonna go eat some food. And then when I get back, I'm gonna sand the fins down and hopefully it's dry by then. Alright, well this is as far as I got tonight. Not too bad. Cleaned up the frame a little bit. Need to get a tool for the tire. Then hopefully the fork's off tomorrow. And hopefully I'll be able to get all my parts sandblasted and powder coated. Same with the tubes. I throw those in the powder coating oven if I can get it out tomorrow. I need to check if my old seat at home is kind of close to that one. I hope so. I hope so. Other than that, I don't know. It's starting to look pretty good though. Can't wait to paint the tins. Oh, it's gonna look sweet. Sweet! I even ordered some silver leaf. I'm gonna try my hand at doing some silver leaf in the paint. It's gonna be awesome.